Today, we are refinishing the catch and cook station. Yeah, that's the catch and cook station. If you don't know, I built this big cedar countertop thingy last year for doing catch and cooks on. I left it out in the sun all winter, and this is what it looks like now. But some quick sanding will fix that. So when I originally made this, I used butcher block finish because it's food safe, but unfortunately, it's not weather safe. But I later found out that typical polyurethane is food safe once it cures, so that's what we're gonna be using today. Let's get that first coat on and dry for an hour. Rough it up with some sandpaper to help the next coat stick and give it a smoother finish. Coat 2 going on, and it's probably overkill, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a third coat anyway. Now, the whole reason this had to be done anyway is because I never covered it up, so that's why I have this tarp. I'll measure it, then draw and cut it at 104 by 37 inches and cut 5-inch squares from each corner, then install grommets on each inside corner. Tie those together to make it 3-dimensional. I mean, technically it was already 3-dimensional because if you get down small enough, the tarp has a thickness too. In fact, it's 12 thousandths of an inch. It's right there on the package. Anyway, here it is after curing, and I am 100% biased, but I think it looks pretty good. And I will put the cover on so it stays looking good. And the catch and cook station is now finished. Again.